So this is the analysis we did, right, for the second, which is on Monday. I told you guys clearly that gold will give us a sell. That this movement here that gold did was a pullback, right? This was a pullback I told you guys, right? Then I also said that after the pullback, we should be expecting gold to give us a sell. And this is exactly what gold did. Gold gave us a sell. So if you had entered the sell, you should be grabbing about more than 300 pips, right? You would have made more than 300 pips, right? More than 300 pips, you would have been able to catch it. So this is one of the reasons why, if you are not yet following this channel, if you are new, make sure you do yourself and click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. I will be putting the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, what are we going to be expecting for the days now? We need to start with our trend. First and foremost, before we take a trade, we need to know what the trend is. As you can see, we are in a downtrend. The market is trending to the downside. So this is our first low that market did give us, right? Then here comes the lower high. Market was able to drop again to form a new lower low. Then here is the lower high. Market then was able to drop again to form a new lower low. And then here comes the lower high, right? Now that we've gotten this lower high, market was now able to drop again to form a new lower low. And this is the lower high. Now that we've got to this lower high, we will be expecting market to drop again to form a new lower low. So guys, a sell for the day is what we'll be expecting on gold. If there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.